guys, I'm down here in New Jersey down here, and I'm touring this nice apartment complex. So beautiful. Take a look. This is actually the entrance, and there's a mall across the street right there. It's so beautiful. This is actually a new complex. And over here we have the clubhouse, and we have the apartments over there. Nice designs. You have 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and this is just a nice area down here. Beautiful.
That's a good question. She's like, does she ever just?
This is so beautiful. This is inside the clubhouse, guys. Look at the design. This is what you call luxury. Look at the furniture. Look at the space. So beautiful. Ooh, is that a real fireplace?
Yeah, and that's one of my favorite things.
Oh wow, this is nice.
Me and Sean just sit by the fireplace and we do our mommy and daughter time, 20 minutes a
really?
day. Yeah. We either do this or we play pool. It's nice. And that's the TV. They turn the
Yes.
TV on and that one's also works.
Wow, wow. I even like the design here. Wow.
You see her face?
Ah. Wow, and then in here, wow, you can play pool.
Shuffleboard.
Shuffleboard is here. I like this table design. Wow, look at
Marble.
this
And
marble.
here's a refrigerator. If you come with drinks, here's
Wow.
a microwave oven.
So you can have like your friends over and have
you
the
can
whole
have
room to
your friends
yourself.
over.
We have fridge here, microwave. Wow. You can actually have a little party and you have your friends over, enjoy. And this is all a part of the package. All the amenities is included. Look at this beautiful space. Wow, look at the floor. Luxury.
Yes, for YouTube.
Man, I like this already. I just like everything
Yeah,
about.
it's
I
very
like
high-
this
it's
big
very
table
high
here.
class. It's more high class
Wow.
than what we had last time. Very
Wow. Take a look at that bathroom.
Come on through because I want to show you something else.
It's a vlog.
Wow, look at
And
this.
it connects to the pool.
It's always going to be my favorite part.
Man, look at this,
They
guys.
let people go swimming again. I thought they were going to.
I am
And-
in love. Who would want this?
And that's how you get back into the fireplace door.
There, yes. Wow, look at the pool. Can I maybe you take me a picture? But I don't want people in
Now we
my.
have a fire pit.
Yes.
Check this out.
Oh wow, look at.
It's self-turning on. So have a seat. And I'm gonna
Wow,
show
we
you.
have
All
a
you
fire
have to
pit
do
here,
to
right
turn the-
close to the
All
pool.
you have to do to turn the fire pit on is turn the knob and watch what happens. The
Oh,
fire comes
wow.
out, even in the wintertime.
Even in the winter time.
See? Look, the fire. The fire
Oh,
pit is
it's
on.
already.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. The
And
fire
it's
is
on a
on.
30-minute timer. So you can sit with
30
your
minutes
friends,
timer.
chit chat.
And there you go. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
All you gotta do is turn
Turn
a
the
button,
timer.
and here you go. Fire is here.
Okay, I'm gonna
Wow.
turn it off. And you can walk this way. There's grills over here.
Grills, we have some more grills scattered all over. So this is for this section. Do we have more grills? Like,
Yeah, 1, 2 grills, and there's 2 where we live too, in back of our apartment complex. Down here is another fireplace.
oh wow. This is really, really nice. Beautiful pool. And I know you're gonna die here.
Yeah, this is it for me. It doesn't get any better than this.
So what is this, Shonda? Shonda, what is this right here?
This is an area where you can have parties, you can have friends over, you can play cards, play games. This is a TV, and this is another fireplace right here.
Oh wow.
It's just another area where you can relax. Now, I'm not sure if this one works.
Oh, so you just turn the
This one
button?
is wishy-washy.
Okay.
Yeah, oh, it works.
Oh, it's coming
See
on.
the
Wow,
fire.
look at
So
that.
here's another
All we
fireplace.
gotta do is turn the button and the fireplaces
They have a
are
fireplace.
lit.
It also looks really nice
And
at
it
night
changes
with the
colors.
lights.
Yes.
That-
Wow.
Really
This is-
nice.
and we have a
It's
nice
activated
breeze.
by this dial over here, so I'm
Yeah.
gonna turn it back off.
Oh, wow,
You
guys.
can you can push the button for the color to change, and for the light to.
Yeah, it's like LED.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. This
So
is
you
what
can
you
have
call modern
friends.
house, smart
Yeah.
house, smart
Turns over.
complex.
Yeah.
Wow, this is
And
nice.
again, it's open 24 hours a day.
Yeah.
So if you wanted
24
to
hours
hang
a
out
day you
with
can
someone-
hang out. No one is telling you, okay, you gotta leave. So like I said, guys, I'm on a tour of this beautiful complex. And here we are with my friend is giving me a tour, my daughter. So she's living here and she's just giving us a tour of the complex. So beautiful. So now we are walking up. So now we are inside of one of the units. And this is the entrance. We have the elevator here.
So the very first time Isaiah came in, he said, "Oh, this is bougie," because the hallways don't it look like the hotel?
Yes, yes,
Like you know
pretty
when you
much.
go to a hotel,
Yes,
this
please.
is exactly how it looks.
Yes.
So I have a couple more things I want to show you. First off, you get a bike room. It's the bike storage area. I showed you this, right? Cameron?
You have a room where you can keep your
Yeah,
bike.
and we have a key for it.
Oh, man.
And here's
Man, this is well thought out.
yeah.
To be honest with you, well thought out. So this is like a public bathroom for everyone.
Guarantee you that other place, the Princeton Terrace.
Don't have all this.
I can't.
So what's this? This is like a movie theater,
Yeah.
Shonda?
Yeah. This is one of my favorite places.
Wow.
'Cause you can come in if you have an account with Netflix or HBO Max. You program it in, have a seat.
Guys, this is a movie theater. Look at it.
Look, put your chair back. Look.
Wow.
Sonia,
The TV
Sonia,
over here. And
Sonia,
yeah, Shonda, you want to be on camera?
Sonia,
You want to
look.
be on camera? Hey, Sean, what's up? Hey. Come on, where you going? You want to be on camera?
Have your friends over. Watch a movie. From your
Guys, this is, if you
account.
are living here, you can call your friends over. This is the movie room and have a movie night.
Yeah.
Wow.
And this is the pool from another view.
Everything is here.
Now, I don't think this
Wow,
works, so
and
I'm
this
gonna
is-
just keep this open for a little bit.
So the pool is right there, guys. So you're out the movie room and here you go. Walk up your balcony and you're looking at the pool. Nice. Shonda is, that's Shonda right there. She's the one that giving us the tour.
Yeah.
So Kimani right over there.
Making your guest appearance. I'm making some change.
All right, Dave.
So that's the pool down there. And this area is for the little ones.
He wasn't gonna.
We have like tables and chair here where they can do their artwork. Brian is here. We have the TV here where they can watch their little cartoons and stuff. We have bean bags down here. Take a look at the design on the floor. Really beautiful. We have the nice artwork on the wall. We have another TV over here. And this is just, this space is just for the little ones. So now we are heading on out.
We're gonna play golf.
Oh, we're gonna play golf. All right.
By the way, this is the apartment. If you came for a tour, they would show you this apartment.
This
It's
one?
fabulous.
Okay. All right, so
2
that's
bedrooms.
it.
Fabulous.
Wow.
This
So
one of
this
Sean-
is the golf
This is one of
room.
Sean Tress's favorite things.
Oh wow. If
Get
you
a
want to
golf
play
ball.
golf, here you go guys.
Put a
Indoor
ball.
golf
Put
course.
a ball here, You hit it,
Learn
and
to
it'll
putt.
tell you how to, there's golf balls up there. I don't really use this that much, but Sean Trust loves it.
Okay.
Like, you just
Yeah,
come
she
to
loves
the
it.
Yeah,
I
this
don't
is a
really,
golf
she comes
course.
in and plays, I
So
don't
it's
play
all
with her.
types of activities here. It's up to you what you like.
Yeah.
And look at the designs
You
on
can
the wall.
pick a place that you want to play.
It's kind of dark in here though. Or maybe it's because of the blessing.
Yeah, because they want, I think they want you to look at the screen when you're
And
hitting.
this is all your clubs. We have the driver here. We have the 9 iron, the 1 iron, putters, all those things. And the golf balls are here. Huh? Nice place. Oh, I love this. I love it.
This is where Chris is going to be grilling tonight.
Okay, so we will be
Those are the
grilling
two
right out
grills.
here.
You can come out, play cards, play Uno, get on your cell phone, whatever, call a friend.
Wow, this is nice.
Beautiful at night.
Beautiful complex. All these nice houses.
The only thing I really don't like is you see how many windows are watching.
Yes, like
So
woo.
when you come out here, just know that at any time you're probably going to be looked
Being
at by
looked at.
somebody.
Yes, yes.
I'm not used to that. But anyway,
So this
but it's
is like
okay.
a little, like a
These are
little
the
picnic
switches.
area.
These are the switches for the light and the fan. This one
Okay.
is this is for the fan, I guess.
And there you go, guys. This is the little
This
picnic
is for the light
area.
at night. You can light it up, and you can also.
So you can
take
come
it
out
up.
any time of the night.
See, look,
I'll
I
pay
just
Shonda.
turned on the fan. See, there it is. Jack.
And there you go, guys. The grills are over here. You can show some hot dogs, whatever, barbecue, some jerk chicken, whatever.
And over here, this is the last thing, and then I'll leave you alone. Over here. Over here.
Oh, what is that down there?
This
It's like
is
a game.
where you can play Josiah said.
Oh, what do you call this one?
I don't know, but you get the beanbag and you throw it in the hole.
Oh,
It's a game that you can play. I've seen people out here playing it. See, you stand in the middle and I think you toss the beanbag. See?
okay, okay.
And that's it. That's the whole tour. And that's the park over there. If you
Oh,
wanted
that's
to
a
walk
park
over
all the
and
way
do a
over.
video.
It's okay.
It's
okay.
That's the park we were driving around.
Yes, yes.
But you see how many windows? Like,
I know.
I can just feel
You
somebody
just have to
looking at
just
me.
step out and like
Yeah,
don't
I can
care.
feel somebody looking.
Yes.
But look at how many windows there are.
We have the grill area right here, and my friend is just grilling something. They have the music playing though. And so this is the grill, guys. Pretty cool, right? We have some chicken, barbecue chicken, right, Chris?
Yep.
Man, this complex is so high tech. Man. So guys, yes, this is it. Nice place. This was just a simple little tour of this beautiful place. Wow.
Yeah. So you see, it's like you're at a resort, right?
Yeah, for real, for real.